Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blazing World. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to link your OEX withdrawal address to the Satoshi app for you to be able to withdraw your tokens, your OEX tokens. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end because you'll be learning a lot from it. Without further ado, let's get to the steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is, first of all, you go to your wallet and you see the list of coins which you have mined, and now this is the OEX. So to link your withdrawal address, you just click on link withdrawal address as you can see on the screen. Now if yours is not showing, go and update the app from your app store. Now click on link withdrawal address. Now you'll be required to put the withdrawal address and then your asset password. Now if this is your first time using this app, if you didn't participate in the core airdrop when we did it, then you need to set your asset password and so on. Now to set your asset password, you go to me, you click on me here and then click on personal settings, then click on asset password. You'll be required to put your login password, then you put your asset password, but since I've set mine, this is what's showing me in case I want to change it, but I don't want to change it, so I like it the way it is, so I'm not gonna change it. I'm showing this to the first timers. Now to link your address, as I have shown earlier, this is how we will do it. You click on the link withdraw address, then you go and copy your withdraw address from MetaMask. Now before you do that, make sure you've added core network to the MetaMask. Now to add core network to the MetaMask, I will drop the steps on how to do it in my Telegram group. First of all, to do that, go to your MetaMask. Now this is my MetaMask app. So I'm in my MetaMask and this is my core network. Now to add your core network, first of all, because that's the first thing you need to do, you click on this place, this drop down menu, and you can see different networks I have. Now to add core network, I have already added it, but I'll be doing this for the sake of those who are just joining. You click on add network, then you click on custom networks. Now you'll be required to input all these details. Now to get these details, click on the description box below and you'll find the link to my Telegram group. Now click on the link and join my Telegram group. You'll find all these details in my Telegram group. Now let's go to my Telegram group. So this is my Telegram group, and as you can see, I have already put it steps on how to do it. Now for the network name, you click core, it will just copy. You come here back to your MetaMask and then add it. You just paste, go back again, the RPC URL, which is this, you click it and copy and go back to your MetaMask and then paste it. Now make sure you do all this, copy all the information, the symbol, the chain ID, which is all available here in my group. After copying it, you go and then you add it, and once you're done, you just click on add. You click on this add. Once you've inputted all the details, the add will show. It will be able to be clicked. I've not added all the details, that's why it's not showing. So you just click on add, ignore any other information they'll show you, just add it, and once you've added it, it will show and it will ask you to switch to the core network, and then you agree, yes, you switch to it. Now once you are in the core network, this is the core network. So for you to add your OEX to this place, still go to my Telegram group. You will find the contract address there. Now let's go and copy the contract address. So this is the contract address. This is the contract address, OEX contract address. Click on it and it will copy. I have copied it, and then I go back to my MetaMask and then click on import tokens. All I have to do is to just paste it here. It's as simple as that. Once I paste it, as you can see, the token symbol came out, the token decimal came out, and now just click on import and it will be imported successfully. So this is it. This is my OpenEx network token. Now I can just click on OpenEx. As I have clicked on it, I'll click on receive. I'll click on receive and then copy my address. Now I have copied my address successfully. The next thing I need to do now is to go back to the Satoshi app, which I am doing right now. Go back to the Satoshi app. Now I'll input the address here and then put my asset password. Once I put it, I then click on link OEX withdraw address, and it's as easy as that. That is how you will add your withdrawal address for withdrawal. Now you have it will be ending in 14 days time from when I made this video, so you can do it now and you can also wait and do it later, but make sure you do it before the end of linking your withdrawal address. Once you just link it, that is all. You wait for withdrawal, wait for any information we'll get from the OEX people themselves. So this is all you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. If you got value from it, please do not forget to like and drop your comments. And if this is your first time in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post any of our amazing updates. Thanks.